all good, Chief. Good. Okay, Zoe, you can have the third fish. Now, the third. And one more fish to go. And the Ardar. Last fish. Guys, tell me, did you eat the last fish? Yes? Did you? Did you? Hey, what do you mean, no? A lot of people saw you. Officer, I think you're right. She doesn't have self-control. Maybe Simba can demonstrate what self-control really is.
Of course, Jason. But guys, this time will even be more difficult because instead of the floor, I will place this fish on top of Simba's nose, where she can smell it, but she cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. Chicken po, Simba, guys. Clap your hands. Come on.
Louder.
Louder. There you go. That's it, huh?
Wow, and that's self-control. So guys, how about a big round of applause for Simba and of course, Officer Christine. Come on, everybody.
Thank you so much, Jason. You and Zoe can now take a break and find your self-control.
Thank you so much.
And the Border Patrol always tries to maintain a good community relations. So, this morning, we have a member of our community who would like to sing back. Right, Sil? Okay, and I think she's on her way now. There you go now. Be careful there. Okay, more. Teka, what is your name? Jess, right? So, Ma'am Jess, I would like to meet Simba with a friendly handshake. So, grab your paper map, just like this, and give it a good shake. There you go. So, Ma'am Jess, is Simba nice? Yeah, she's very nice. And in fact, she would like to give you a special treat. So, ma'am, do you have an idea what the treat is? Voila! How about you guys? Do you have any idea? You were absolutely correct. It's a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. So, tell me, Ma'am Jess, are you excited for that kiss? Mukhang yun yung kinakabahan si Ma'am. Don't be scared, Ma'am. Okay, let me ask Simba first. Simba, are you excited? Look at her boss. She's very excited. So, Ma'am, ganito na lang. I'll show you how it's done. All you have to do is speak towards Simba, and she'll give you a gentle kiss on the chin. But before that, Ma'am, let me try to freshen up Simba's breath with some of the Silan breath beads. To make it juicier, I have here squid.
Squid.
There you go, Sim. Last one. And how about some bread, Simba? Okay. Nice enough. Now, Ma'am Jess, you guys all yours. Come on, step closer. Closer. Don't put it in, Simba. Come on, Ma'am. Closer. Did you stick? And hold it. Oh, that was a juicy one. So, Ma'am Jess, did you like that kiss? Napaiyak na siya. Did you like it? Oo daw. Ganito na lang, Ma'am. If you were to rate Simba's kiss from a scale of 1 to 10, and then being the best kiss that you've ever had, what would that be? Wow, because Simba is a perfect score. So that means Simba's kiss is even better than your special someone. So ganito siya, no? Oo daw. Is there a special someone around? Wala. Ganito na lang, Ma'am. Simba has a message for your special someone. Parating mo na lang sa kanya ito, Ma'am. Bella daw. Oh, si Miss just kidding. Mama, another round of applause for Simba and Ma'am Jess. Guys, thank you so much. And we are now going to proceed and enjoy the rest of the show. Okay, Joseph. Now, Simba, I want you to wait for Officer Clean. Okay, so let's move on, guys. The state chief, the Marine Patrol members, likes to compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility. And that is the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. So again, I'm looking for a volunteer from you guys who thinks